going on, guys? Rebuilds NI here. Come back with a new video. Today we're going to be repairing this bumper. It's just got this big damage in the middle of it. I've bought a wee 107 black Peugeot that was hit at the front. Obviously it was hit here, but the wing, I'm waiting on a new wing because I took a wing off and to put on a different car to try and sell it. So we need to wait on a new wing, a new front panel. I'll be doing videos on how to weld the front panel and stuff in because they're welding front panels. So basically, how to get this big damage out? Most people just buy a new bumper. You know, it's probably Honda just buy a new bumper, but I just tend to fix things because it's cheaper for me. So basically what I'll do, I'll just get a heat gun, heat up around this area, pop it all out from behind, and do the same here and here. Sometimes if you pop all that up a wee bit too high, you can DA the height nearly out of it, so you actually don't need any isopon on the bumper. But in this case, I think I'll just push it all up, DA any wee heights, push any wee heights back in, and isopon it, show you what way to leave the isopon and stuff for priming, and we'll prime it in this video too. Now this bumper has a few other wee marks, like just down that side and stuff. They're not bad, but we're painting the wing and the bumper and putting a new front panel in, so I might as well just paint this whole bumper and take them scores out. I'll show you how to do that too. Now another thing is, if you weren't gonna go over and paint that other side, basically all you do is prime this wee bit here, say, and then you could lose your colour. You'd only need a base coat to here and here to lose it, and then just lacquer the rest of the bumper out. That's if you don't go through the lacquer on the other side of the bumper. Now that's sometimes is handier, but for this bumper, because there's that many scores on it, I'll just paint the whole bumper. So anyway, I'm going to put on a time lapse of pushing this out, because sometimes it can be difficult to push out. Just need plenty of heat and stuff off a heat gun. Heat gun's only around £40 new, so it'll be handy just to buy one. So yeah, let's crack on. Well guys, there you have it. So quick we go with heat gun, and it's basically all there. Now there's a couple of wee heights in it and stuff here and here. There's still a wee bit of a low one there. So I'm gonna push this up, put these wee heights down, I'll come back to you with a DA. So you have it guys, I have that we repaired on, have it all fired out with 320 the whole way around it, and I have a panel out there. It's looking good, it's looking better than I thought. There's some wee pinholes in it, but the primer should fill most of that. Now I'm going to put some plastic primer on. Don't know if any of you have ever heard of it, but anyway, it's that there, Relo plastic primer. Basically what that does is, if I go ahead and 2-pack prime this, the primer actually won't stick to it, because when you sand that plastic, it's actually not coarse enough for the primer or paint to stick, so we always have to plastic prime any bare plastics. So I'm going to go ahead, plastic prime it, I'll mix the primer up and come back to you. So there you have it guys, that's it all repaired and primed. So when I'm rubbing this, I'll be rubbing it with 320 with a black first, because all that eyes upon area, you know, I want to make sure it's good. And then I will be going over it all with a DA with a bit of 500, just to make sure when I'm painting there'll be no scores left in the base coat, so when it's lacquered, you know, you'll be able to see them still. Anyway, so that was a handy repair there. So it was. If you've anything like to let me know about what I'm doing wrong or anything like that there, just drop down in the comments, because all help would be much appreciated. So at their primer there, you mix it 4-to-1. You know, 4 parts primer, 1 part hardener. I always put about 10% thinners on it, just so it comes out of the gun real nice. Because I am using a GTI Pro Light 1.3 nozzle. I know you're meant to use 1.6, but that's all I have at the minute. So anyway guys, if you did like the video, make sure you drop a like down below and leave a comment and subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment for any tips or anything, as you know yourself, I'm new at doing this, so I don't really know what to be at. So anyway guys, this is Rebuilds NI out.